In this video, let's take a look at Robot Vacuum Cleaner. You can find this in Amazon for under $300. First, let's do unboxing. Setup is very easy. First, let's charge the vacuum. Charge the vacuum until charging light turns solid green. Before running the vacuum, fill up the water tank with water and completely wet the mob on the bottom. You can control the vacuum using your remote. You can also download the app, but it pretty much does same thing as your remote control. Setting up the app is very simple and straightforward. You can start the vacuum to work right away by clicking on Auto button on the remote, or hit on button on the app. You can click on Home button on the remote to bring the vacuum to the charger, or hit Charge button the app. You can control the vacuum power and mopping option on the remote. On the app, you can click on More button and there is vacuum and water options. Now empty your dustpan. Also periodically, wash the filter. Also periodically, wash the mopping cloth. There are 5 different cleaning modes. First is Auto modes. It cleans the floor in random area for 90 minutes. There is Edge mode. It cleans along the edge of the walls in the room. There is Spot cleaning mode. It clean in spiral from inside to outside in one area. There is Zigzag mode. It cleans in zigzag in straight line. Lastly, there is Manual mode. You can manually control where to clean.